Chapter 8, Web Server, Hardware and Software. The learning objectives for this chapter are: how a web server performs its basic functions, what operating system and server software is used on web servers, how to identify and manage email and spam control, how commonly used internet and website utility programs work, what hardware online businesses use to power their websites. The web uses a client-server architecture in which the client computer requests a web page and the server computer that is hosting the requested page locates and sends a page back to the client. For simple HTTP requests, a two-tier architecture works well. The first tier is the client computer and the second tier is the server. The more complicated web interaction, such as the electronic commerce, require the integration of databases and payment processing software in a three-tier or higher tier architecture. Operating systems commonly used on web server computers include Microsoft Server operating systems and a number of Unix-based operating systems such as Linux. The most widely used web server programs are Apache HTTP Server and Microsoft Internet Information Server. But Nginx is growing in popularity. Web server computers also run a variety of utility programs such as Tresort, Telnet and FTP. Many web server administrators also use software that helps with line checking and remote server administration tasks. The problem of unsolicited commercial email, also called spam, has grown drastically in recent years. Content filters can deal with the problem. Organizations are using a combination of server level filters and client level filters to reduce spam to tolerable levels. Laws designed to punish spammers have not decreased significantly the level of spam. Recently implemented technical strategies that identify the source of spam emails and block those sources have helped stem the tide of spam. The operating system connection bandwidth, user capacity, and the type of pages that the site serves affect overall web server performance. Benchmarking software and consulting firms that use it can help companies evaluate specific combinations of web server hardware, software and operating systems. Web server hardware is also an important consideration. In the design of an online business site, several computers must be chosen and configured carefully. Large websites that have many web server computers use load balancing hardware and software to manage their high activity volumes.